The mist curled and writhed, a phantom sea that perpetually lapped at the edges of Springbrook Mountain. From within this ethereal realm, Cloudview emerged, a dark, sleek form nestled amongst the towering eucalyptus trees. It wasn't a structure that asserted dominance, but rather one that seemed to have grown organically, a shadow sculpted from the very essence of the forest. Uhlmann Architects had conjured a paradox, a building of crisp, modern lines within a landscape of untamed, verdant chaos, a sanctuary of deliberate calm amidst nature's wild symphony. The journey to Cloudview was a winding ascent, a slow immersion into the mountain's embrace. Arriving, one was struck by the sheer volume of glass, a transparent skin that dissolved the boundaries between interior and exterior. The architects had masterfully manipulated light and perspective, creating a stage where the surrounding rainforest became the star. Each pane of glass was a portal, framing breathtaking vistas of the valley below, where clouds danced and shifted, creating an ever-changing panorama. The dense foliage, a tapestry of greens and browns, pressed close, a living, breathing wall that both sheltered and revealed. Inside, a sense of quietude permeated the space. The U-shaped floor plan, a stroke of architectural genius, fostered both openness and privacy. The living area, bathed in natural light, flowed seamlessly onto a central deck, a platform suspended amongst the treetops. The two en-suite bedrooms, positioned at opposite ends of the structure, offered secluded retreats, spaces for contemplation and solitude. The darker palette of materials, a deliberate choice, created a sense of intimacy, drawing the eye outwards, towards the vibrant spectacle of the rainforest. The inverted roof, a subtle yet impactful detail, further enhanced the connection to the natural environment. It drew the gaze upwards, towards the canopy of leaves and the ever-shifting sky. The gentle slope of the roof, a practical solution for rainwater management, also served as a visual cue, guiding the eye towards the central deck, the heart of Cloudview. The architects had considered every detail, from the placement of the furniture to the selection of materials, ensuring that the building remained a respectful guest in its natural surroundings. The warmth of the interior was a counterpoint to the cool, verdant exterior. Natural tan tones and the deep ochre of the plush sofa provided focal points, inviting residents to gather and connect. These splashes of color, like embers glowing in the twilight, added a layer of comfort and intimacy to the otherwise minimalist design. The interplay of light and shadow, the subtle variations in texture, created a sensory experience that was both soothing and stimulating. Cloudview was more than just a holiday cabin. It was a sanctuary, a place where time seemed to slow down, where the rhythm of life aligned with the natural world. The architects had succeeded in creating a space that was both luxurious and understated, a haven of tranquility in the midst of a vibrant ecosystem. The robustness of the structure, its ability to withstand the elements, spoke to a deep respect for the environment. The design bridged the gap between the traditional Queenslander and beachside vernaculars, a testament to the architect's ability to synthesize diverse influences. The single-level main form, with its lightweight substructure, provided a sense of lightness and transparency, allowing the building to blend seamlessly into the sloping terrain. It was a structure that honored its location, a testament to the power of thoughtful design to enhance and celebrate the natural world. Cloudview was a testament to the power of architecture to create a sense of place. It was a space where the boundaries between inside and outside blurred, where the natural world became an integral part of the living experience. It was a sanctuary where calmness and a slowing down of time was hard to avoid. Uhlmann Architects had crafted not just a building, but an experience, a journey into the heart of the rainforest, a moment of communion with nature. And so, Cloudview stands, a quiet testament to the harmony between human creation and the natural world. It's a reminder that even in the midst of wild beauty, we can find spaces of profound peace. Whether you're dreaming of a rainforest retreat, or simply seeking a moment of calm, let Cloudview inspire you to appreciate the delicate balance between design and nature. Thanks for joining us on this journey.